I went shopping at Saks and bought a whole bunch of Charlotte Tilbury goodies. Let's unbox them real quick. Flawless Finish Setting Powder, Resurfacing Facial that I got for free because I spent all my money. Beautiful Skin Foundation, believe the hype guys, this product is definitely worth it. Collagen Facial Oil, which is almost too pretty to use. Flawless Filter for that model off-duty natural glow. Multi-Glow Highlighter that I personally enjoy using as an eyeshadow. Just look at how gorgeous these shades are. There's something sexy about a new untouched powder product. Or is that just me? This packaging alone is a showstopper. Charlotte is hands down the queen of packaging. Again, the untouched powder just really gets me. This gives the most beautiful coverage without sucking the life out of your skin. Here's the makeup look I created using all of the products shown. Click the link in my bio to check it out and to find out whether these products are worth your money or not. Thanks for watching.